We are going to see how to install free WooVina WooCommerce theme. First, head over to Google. Type in the search bar, WooVina theme. It will take you to the various search results. Then click on the first result, free WooCommerce, WordPress WooVina theme. It will take you to the website of WooVina WooCommerce theme. This is the website. One thing you have to note is that you have to create an account. To download the themes, click Download. You can see the theme is downloading. It's the main WooVina theme. To download a specific custom theme, you have to create an account. That's how it works. Now, the theme has finished downloading. Head over to the home page to see WooVina templates. So, we are going to pick a particular theme to use. Scroll down. You would see various free and premium WooCommerce themes. We are going to opt for Bookshop theme. There are different categories of themes that could be used as shown. The Bookshop theme is a free theme. Click Download now. You can see that we already have an account here. In the process of downloading the theme, indicate whether you want the installation setup to be done by WooVina. Then, choose whether you want the copyright credit to be removed. In the free theme, the copyright credit is attached. To remove it, you have to pay for it. Indicate whether you are not S-Robot. Click the images. Click and verify that you are human. Click Process Subscription. This is the indication that the theme has been downloaded. Here, click Downloads. It will take you the dashboard. From the dashboard, you can see the themes that was previously downloaded. On the dashboard, from the WooVina account, select the theme you want to download. Click on Download. The theme will now officially download to your computer folder. After that, head over to your WordPress dashboard, click Appearance. Click Themes. Click Upload Theme. Choose the theme file to upload. Select the WooVina theme, click Install Now. Click Activate after the installation. Then, proceed to install the WooVina Starter Sites plugin. Click Upload Plugin. Click Choose File. Click Install WooVina Starter Sites plugin. Click Install Now. Activate plugin. Then, head over to Themes. Once again, click on the active WooVina theme, click on the WooVina Starter Sites. You would see various free templates you can choose from. Here, we opt for the faster template. Here, we activate the relevant plugins to enable the template to work normally. First, click the WP Forms. Then click Activate WooCommerce plugin and Elementor plugin. Then, we install the WooVina template and plugins to enable the theme function properly. After that, head over to the next step. Here, install this demo. It's installing. It will take a few seconds. Here, copy the URL that you have to replace. We are going to open this link on a new tab. First, copy this old URL. On a new tab. On the first column. On the first column, paste the link you copied. Go back to the previous tab. Copy the new URL of your site. Head over to the new tab. Paste it on the second column, and click Replace URL. Click OK. This is the default WordPress theme when the WooCommerce theme has not been installed. Click Refresh. You can see the new WooVina theme we just installed. This is how the WooVina faster template looks after installation. You can see how beautiful it is. It's a full WooCommerce store that you can later customize to suit your taste and design of your online store. As you can see, it has all the functionality of a full online store after being installed. That's how to install a WooVina theme. Thank you for watching.